Okay, I'm sorry about that. I hope you hear my voice clearly and also see my screen. Today, let us look at what we looked at yesterday. Let's see how our charts went. We'll start off with Brent oil. So these are the two positions we took sometimes back. They're still open. We still do expect price to continue our way. We do have these two trades, the ones we had before. They're still in an uptrend. They're still in. So sorry about the noise at the background. Sorry about. So we are still upwards. We are still as we ought to. We took these two positions. Our stop loss is still set here. I don't recommend you buy it at the moment. You may want to place your pending limits. Have your pending buy limit. Have your stop loss still as I put mine. Have your take profit at this high. So we took this position not because of whatever is happening on the daily chart. We took it because of what is happening on the weekly chart. So this is like some support. That is those that breakout. Was this pullback, and then the price went up. As we were speaking, the price was somewhere here. So we took the buy position, hoping that the price may continue up to our level, which is set here. We are still holding on to that position. We are still upwards. This is basically how we took this position. The other chart which I want us to look at is SP500. So this chart is upwards, and there is no need for looking for a sell on it. The current move we are seeing to the low side, this one, this is just a pullback, and we don't expect it to take price below this point. We do not expect it to go below this level here. So as much as the price may be correcting itself to the low side, we don't expect it to break below 39.54.5. So expect just a move, expect price to move down up to this point where you're supposed to pick a buy position. We do expect that buy to keep pushing us even higher. So this should be the correct place to buy from. We're expecting that buy to take us up to this point, up to this resistance level. Our next chart is Euro USD. So this is going to be a good sell. The current week's candle does not close beyond 1.2032. This will be a good place to sell from 1.2032. So expect price to give us a good place to sell from 1.2073, 1.2032. This will be a good place to look for a sell from. Our next chart is USD So this chart has taken some momentum to the low side. We are likely to see price continue lower. We had some trend line here. We indicated that if the price did not clearly sustain itself above this line, then this could have been a good sell. So that's exactly what's happening. If the current week's candle should close below this level here, 108.57, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. The idea is to look for a sell at least up to this point, 104.37. So expect price to sell off at least up to 104.65, this level here. Our next chart, the other one, is the GBP USD. This chart we took a sell a few days ago. We had a sell position. Our stop loss was hit on it, but currently, as we're speaking, we are around a very significant resistance level, which is this one here. So this is a good level where if the price does not clearly ascend and close beyond, if the price does not break above 1.398989, that is the line at the top, then this will be a good place to sell from. You sell it there, expect a continuation to the lower side, at least up to this point, 1.3679. So the price needs to get to this point, bounce off from this point, and then head straight to the lower side up to 1.3679. A break above that level will push us higher, at least up to 1.4142, the one at the top. Our last chart for the day is gold. Gold looks like the price is upwards. It looks like the price is headed straight to the upper side. We do have this. We do have a level here. We do have a level there. Then we do have another level there. This is like a good trend line. So if the price is to continue to the upper side, then we want to see a rejection from the upper trend line where you're supposed to look for a sell. You're supposed to look for a sell. So if the price comes up to this point here, then this will be the ideal place where you want to look for a sell from. But if the price again breaks below 1770.19, then this will be the best place to sell from. We're expecting that sell to take us at least up to this point, 1682.96. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. That's my opinion on this. Just if you have any questions, kindly feel free to get back to me. I should respond as fast as I see them. So thank you.